Today, I'm excited to talk about our internship program, an opportunity that I'm personally connected to. I was part of the firm's very first intern class back in 2001. That experience was instrumental in shaping my career, and I joined the firm full-time in 2002. Our internship program is designed to give students a comprehensive, hands-on experience in the financial services industry. You'll work directly with our advisors and support teams, gaining insight into the day-to-day operations of a successful financial planning firm. Whether it's client management, financial planning, or investment strategies, you'll get exposure to every aspect of what we do. One of the most valuable aspects of our program is the focus on career development and advocacy. I know from my own experience how important it is to have someone in your corner helping you navigate your growth and championing your success. During the program, you'll work closely with experienced professionals who are committed to helping you advance your career. Our internship offers the chance to explore different areas of our business, everything from compliance and operations to marketing and investments. This diverse exposure helps you figure out what excites you the most and where your strengths lie. You'll come out of this with a well-rounded understanding of how a financial services firm operates. During your time with us, you'll also build a strong network of professional contacts, both within and outside the firm. These connections can be invaluable as you launch your career in finance or otherwise, giving you a head start in building relationships that can last a lifetime. If you're interested in getting your career started in financial services, I strongly encourage you to take a look at our internship program. I started as an intern over 20 years ago, and it's helped me tremendously as I've grown into my career. Now I'm the president of the firm. We're looking for strong, interesting, talented people to join our organization to grow with us in the long term. It starts with our internship program. We'd love to see you join the team.